Welcome to Phoenix Channel. Today we are going to tell you more about India and its amazing history and facts. India is the cradle of the human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most instructive materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only. These are the words of legendary author Mark Twain. Number 1. India is the world's largest, oldest, continuous civilization. Number 2. It is the 7th largest country by area, the second most populous country with over 1.2 billion people, and the most populous democracy in the world. Number 3. India invented the number system. 0 was invented by Aryabhatta. Albert Einstein says we owe a lot to the Indians, who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made. Number 4. The value of pi was first calculated by the Indian mathematician Bodhayana, and he explained the concept of what is known as the Pythagorean theorem. He discovered this in the 6th century, long before the European mathematicians. Number 5. India has the world's third largest active army, after China and USA. India is the world's largest importer of arms and never invaded any country in her last 10,000 years of history. Number 6. Yoga has its origins in India and has existed for over 5,000 years. Number 7. Sanskrit is the mother of all the European languages. Sanskrit is the most suitable language for computer software according to a report in Forbes magazine in July 1987. Number 8. Algebra, trigonometry and calculus are studies, which originated in India. Number 9. Ayurveda is the earliest school of medicine known to mankind. The father of medicine, Shraka, consolidated Ayurveda 2,500 years ago. Number 10. Jainism and Buddhism were founded in India in 600 BC and 500 BC respectively. The 4 religions born in India are Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, are followed by 25% of the world's population. Number 11. Indians established Harappan culture in Sindhu Valley. After partition of India, Harappa became a part of Pakistan in 1947. Number 12. Varanasi, also known as Benares, was called the ancient city when Lord Buddha visited it in 500 BC, and is the oldest, continuously inhabited city in the world today. Number 13. Martial arts were first created in India, and later spread to Asia by Buddhist missionaries. Number 14. The art of navigation and navigating was born in the river Sindh over 6,000 years ago. The very word navigation is derived from the Sanskrit word navgati. The word navy is also derived from the Sanskrit word nu. Number 15. Takshila is said to be the first ever university in the world. It started around 700 BC. Number 16. Despite budgetary constraints, India's space program is one of the top 5 space programs in the world. Number 17. India is the largest producer of films in the world. Number 18. India is the largest milk producer in the world. Number 19. India has 122 major languages and 1,599 other languages. India is the largest English-speaking nation in the world. Number 20. The Nobel Peace Prize was withdrawn in 1948. It was supposed to go to Mahatma Gandhi, but his assassination resulted in the title being left unassigned as a tribute to the leader. Number 21. Indian Railways has about 63,028 route kilometers of track. The total distance covered by the 14,300 trains on the Indian Railways every day equals 3.5 times the distance to Moon. Number 22. One of the largest employer in the world is the Indian Railways, employing over 1 million people. Number 23. The Tirupati Balaji Temple and the Kashi Vishwanath Temple both receive more visitors than the Vatican City and Mecca combined. Number 24. More than 54 crore people voted in the 2014 general election, more people than the population of USA, UK, Australia and Japan combined. Number 25. India has been the largest troop contributor to the United Nations peacekeeping missions since its inception. Number 26. India has more than 300,000 mosques than any other nation in the world. Number 27. Usage of anesthesia was well known in ancient Indian medicine. Detailed knowledge of anatomy, embryology, digestion, metabolism, physiology, etiology, genetics and immunity is also found in many ancient Indian texts. Number 28. India invented the number 0, ruler scale, value of buy, shampoo, chess, button, cotton cultivation, and the famous game Snakes and Ladder. Thank you for watching.